good morning again, Lily Pillies. I'm going to read a really kind of silly, funny story for you today. It's written by a really funny man called Anh Do, and it's called What Do They Do with All the Poo from All the Animals at the Zoo? Let's find out. What do they do with all the poo from all the animals at the zoo? The hippos, the tigers, the kangaroo. What do they do with all that poo? You see that giant pile there? There's even little blowflies buzzing around it. Ew. I wonder. Don't you wonder too? Yes, I do. Well, my brother told me that the other day that big trucks come and take it away, and they mix it with all kinds of material and make it into children's breakfast cereal. Ew. Look, there's flies buzzing around a spoon. Yuck. But my sister said, that's not right. She said that they pick it all up at night and they mix it all up in a big machine. Ooh, and make it into chocolate ice cream. Oh, yuck. I say, what do they do with all the poo from all the animals at the zoo? The zebras, the camels, and the elephants too. What do they do with all that poo? I wonder. Don't you wonder too? Yes, I do. Well, my Uncle Harry put his 2 cents in, and he told us with a cheeky grin, they pick up all the animal droppings, and that's what you get in your pizza toppings. Oh, yuck. Look at that. There's mushrooms, tomato, capsicums, and poo. Ew. But my dad reckons everybody's wrong. He says that after the people are gone, they scoop it all up in special trolleys, like up there, and sell it to the company that makes all the children's lollies. Ew. I say, what do they do with all the poo from all the animals at the zoo? The penguins, giraffes, and the pandas too. What do they do with all that poo? Ew. Yuck. Have a lovely day, Lily Pillies. Missing you. Take care.